Hi, kids. Today's gospel is special. Want to know why? I'll tell you why. All of my puppet friends and I are going to act out the gospel according to Luke. Hooray! So sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. One day, Jesus told this story. There was a man who had 2 sons. Sons! Hey, Dad!
Hey, Dad! Hi!
Hey, sons!
Hey, Dad?
Yes, sons?
I was thinking about something, and I was wondering, can I have all the money that you would give me after you die? Can you give it to me right now?
Yes, hold on, let me get it. So, the father divided everything he owned between his 2 sons.
Thanks!
Years later, the youngest son packed up all his things and left home to live in a country far, far away. Hi, son!
I love you!
I love you too! The son lived an expensive life and wasted all his money.
Woohoo! I'm gonna buy myself some new shoes and an iPod, yeah! I just ordered a brand new Porsche and I'm gonna go to the Super Bowl next week! Yeah! But first, I love to dance, I'm going to the disco!
Good time until all the money ran out.
I don't have no money.
There was a bad famine in the country. There was little food.
I'm starving. I have no money to buy food. I think I'll work for a farmer.
The son went to work for a farmer.
My job is to feed the pigs. I'm so hungry that I wish I could eat the piggy food. But if I ate the pig food, I would lose my job.
At last, the son came to his senses.
Oh, you know what? The people who work for my father have more than enough food to eat, and here I am starving to death. I will go back to my father and say, Father, I have sinned against God and against you. I am no longer good enough to be called your son. Please treat me like one of your servants. That's what I'm going to do.
So the young man started home. While he was still a long way off, his father saw him and ran out to meet him. Son! His son in his arms.
I love you, Dad. Oh. Father, I have sinned against God and against you. I am no longer good enough to be called your son.
Servants! Servants, quick! Servant, bring up the best clothes and put them on him. Put a ring on his finger and shoes on his feet. Get our best cap and big pair of feet. Let's celebrate. And because my son was dead and he has come back to life, he was lost and has been found.
The oldest son was in the field working. He came near the house and heard the music and dancing.
Servant! What is going on?
Your brother has come home, and your father has killed the best calf. We are having a big party because your brother is home and safe and sound.
What? Hurry!
The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Yay!